pinili tayo ng Diyos, pero siya hindi natin mapili. Ephesians 1:4, He chose us even before the foundations of the world. Bago ka pa ipinanganak, bago pa inilikha ang mundo, pinili na tayo ng ating Panginoon. But most of the time, we cannot choose Him. 1 Corinthians 1:7, He chose the foolish to shame the wise. A choice again. 2 Thessalonians 2, God chose you and sanctified you. Si Elijah paulit-ulit, make a choice. Si Moses paulit-ulit, make a choice. Si Joshua paulit-ulit, make a choice. Ang sabi ni Jesus, you cannot serve both God and money. Make a choice. Choose for yourself the God that you will serve. And every choice that you will make today will set a trajectory. Life or death. Disaster, reward, it's your choice. Will you follow Jesus? Will you choose to follow Him? Tayo diba? Will you follow Jesus? Yes. Pero kay Peter, na sinabi ng Lord, come follow me. Tayo pag sinabi natin, Amen Lord, hindi mo naman iiwan yung trabaho mo eh. Hindi mo iiwan ang negosyo mo. Pero kay Peter, literal yun. Ang sabi ng Lord, follow me. Ay talagang kailangan niyang iwanan ang lahat para sumunod sa ating Panginoon. Right now, hindi naman sinasabi ng Lord sa atin. Ang sinasabi lang ng Lord sa atin, prioritize Him.